Hi everyone, today I'm making one of my favorite Korean comfort food and my husband loves it. Based braised chicken. Ew, what? It's savory, slightly sweet, and super easy to make at home. So let's get right into it. And also, it's early. It's 8:38 a.m. So let's get to cooking. Okay, so this is all my ingredients, and I have my recipe book because like my husband translated everything for me. So yeah, and I'll put all the recipe at the description below. So let's get to cutting. Okay, so I'm gonna peel and cut the potatoes. It's like potatoes, carrots. Okay, so I got these carrots at the superstore. I really like these carrots. They're like the jumbo size. So just like cut them both in half, and then so like that thick. Where's the camera? That thick, because like we're gonna be boiling them, and like we keep boiling them, they're gonna won't shrink and soggy. And these ones are like thick at the end, so I just cut them again. Okay, I like to use the yellow potatoes or red potatoes, but not russet potatoes. I don't know, it just tastes like weird, but so yellow or red potatoes are best. Oh, and I actually have a tripod this time, not just using what was it? A protein shake bottle to hold the phone. Finally upgraded. Okay, so I'm using this. I couldn't find, I don't know why my favorite mushrooms, the tiny ones, are like so hard to find now, but this is also good. Like, I don't know, this just gives it more flavor and texture. I love these. Okay, so just cut them in half. And if it's like really thick, I cut them into like threes. Just like that. Okay, yeah, just like cut into like squares. Oh, I almost went this way. Just like, I think 4 across. 4 slices. And then just like 1 slice right here, so it'll be like thick cuts. This is the garlic I use. I get it at H Mart or A Mart. It's a really big tub. Or you can just crush your own mint minced garlic, but yeah, I use this. Okay, and this is ginger powder. Only need a little bit, like, I don't know, like 0.5 teaspoon of it. Okay, just finished prepping the sauce for the soup. So yes, now I will boil the chicken now. Okay, so we're gonna be using some bay leaves and whole black pepper to season the chicken. I just added some water. So I'm just gonna add a few bay leaves. Like 4 is fine. And a few shakes of the black pepper. And just set it to high and let it like turn white. Not too white. Just enough just to cook it a little bit, but leave some pink. While we wait for that, and I'm kind of getting hungry. So, gonna have a little snack. Okay, see how it's slowly turning a lighter color? For just a few more minutes, then we'll rinse it out and then put it in a bigger pot and then put everything together. So the chicken's in a big pot and I added 400 milliliter of water. Now I'm gonna add the sauce that we just made. So we just let it boil, and then that's when we add our carrots and potatoes in. Okay, so it's starting to boil. Let's add in our carrots and potatoes. And then just reduce the heat to medium. Okay, so once the carrots and potatoes are like easy to cut through, then we can add our other veggies. Here's the onions and our mushrooms. And just give that a good stir. And then we let it boil for, let's say, 20 to 30 minutes. And then it is ready to eat. Yeah. I will see you in half an hour. Dang, just look at that. All done. Time to eat. Yum. so good. So I'm gonna finish this up. So thanks for watching. Bye.